Welcome to a tour of the courses I built using D2L Brightspace LMS for the University of Laverne's Fetra School of Education. This is a Doctor of Education in Educational Leadership. My course design uses orange to highlight research courses, while green signifies foundational material. As the courses progressed, accent colors from the university's approved brand guidelines were incorporated for visual cueing. Foundational to our project is the Carnegie Project on the Education Doctorate. Let's take a look at a course. Each course uses widgets to configure the landing page, with the visual table of contents in the center. I designed the course with a strong submodule and module hierarchy so that students could quickly navigate the course, thus reducing cognitive load. Each course started off with an overview section, which included a custom syllabus, which was designed to match the look and feel of the overall experience. From the home screen, there was a table of contents, which could be used to quickly take a look at all the course content and navigate to the desired activity. Each assignment was preceded by an instructions page, which could be added strategically to other modules to reinforce information. This one uses custom HTML coding and an accordion feature in Brightspace. Included in course design were discussion forums. Custom HTML coding was incorporated in this course and included custom tutorials for using tools. Each assignment included mapping to course outcomes and competencies, as well as rubrics provided by the subject matter experts and entered into the tool. Courses 611 and 621 used the group tool, which included instructions for joining the group, the ability for students to select their own group, and threaded discussions. All of the courses included multimedia scaffolds, such as inspiring TED Talks and engaging podcasts. They also included a summary page and a student checklist, so students could monitor their work for completion. Research courses included support for dissertation completion using guided assignments, such as the literature review and research design methodology chapter. This could include a timeline, key structural components, and organizational guidelines. Students were also supported in using tools to complete projects. In this example, students were supported in creating surveys, interview guides, and observational checklists. Using custom HTML coding, I designed this custom tutorial for Google Forms and also a custom tutorial for SurveyMonkey. While the client preferred imagery with fewer people, stock photography was incorporated for the purpose of visual storytelling. Finally, each course concluded with a course wrap-up page celebrating student achievement while building motivation for the next course.